What if a machine could control your body or even read your thoughts? Sounds like science fiction, right? It's happening now. Today, we're exposing how AI is entering the human body, saving lives, yes, but also creating terrifying possibilities that will chill you to the bone. Stick around, because number one is straight from a horror movie. AI-controlled prosthetics. AI-powered prosthetic limbs are changing lives. These robotic arms respond to your brain signals. They can move, grab, even feel. Amazing, right? But here's the dark truth. Researchers have confirmed these devices can be hacked remotely. Imagine losing control of your own arm and someone else moves it for you. Sounds like a horror scene, but it's a real security threat scientists are struggling to fix. Brain-computer interface. Companies like Neuralink promise hope for paralyzed patients. AI chips implanted in your brain can let you control phones, computers, even robots using just your thoughts. But here's the nightmare scenario. These implants record your brain signals. In theory, they could track your private thoughts, your memories, even your deepest secrets. If you think AI inside our bodies is helpful, hit subscribe. If you think it's terrifying, smash like and comment your country name. AI nanobots in bloodstream. AI-driven nanobots are already being tested to repair tissues, kill cancer cells, and deliver drugs directly inside your bloodstream. But experts say if nanobots are hijacked, they could shut down your organs silently from the inside. Finally, AI predicting your death. Believe it or not, AI models can now predict your death date with shocking accuracy by analyzing your health data. Hospitals use it to prepare treatments. But here's the scary twist. Insurance companies could use this to raise your premiums or deny your coverage. AI inside the human body could cure diseases or create a future where we're no longer in control of ourselves. Helpful or horrifying? What do you think? Comment below. Before robots learn how to run YouTube, make sure you subscribe for more shocking truths about AI. Stay curious and stay human while you still can.